Viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share a unique lunchbox recipe which you can just prepare in 20 minutes. You can also pack this recipe for kids lunchbox as well. Let's get into the preparation. In a pan, add 1 red chili, saute it for a minute and later add 30 grams of poppy seeds, that is approximately quarter cup of poppy seeds. Dry roast them until they turn into golden brown color and pops out. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Later, cool the mixture completely and transfer it into a blender jar. Today I am preparing for a quantity of 2 members. You can increase or decrease the quantities based on your requirement. Add quarter spoon of salt and blend it into a fine powder. Now you can store this powder for 2 to 3 days in an airtight container. I am adding the whole mixture which I have prepared in half cup of cooked rice. Mix all together well by adding 2 spoons of coconut oil or with 1 spoon of ghee. That's it, very simple and easy. Poppy seeds rice is ready to serve. You can pack this for your kids' lunchbox. Do give a try. If you like this video, please give a like and share to your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know many interesting recipes. I have shared many interesting recipes in this channel. I will provide all the recipe links series wise in the description box below. Please do check on the same. Let me meet you again in my upcoming interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.